Hey, say Wonder Boy, I need you to show me more of those birds. I can. Alright, so Wonder Boy, I would like to see you ride these ostriches. Just leave a comment. Gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Boy Farm. I'm here on the ostrich farm, which they decide to come to me and greet me. Sometimes they come here, they run wild, and the next time they come and greet me. They got their time where they come and greet me. Look at them. I can't able to touch them. Look. I can't able to touch them. But you just have to be careful with them with their kick. Each time you touch them, you gotta touch them neck and then shoot them back. And then you don't get that kick. But they will come back to me. They're just kind of leery, but they comes around back. Give them a little time. They going around the back, but they will come back right around to Wonder Boy. But they just a little bit leery about the camera. No, they group up. So they just a little bit leery now. Sometimes they got their time when they come to you. If you look right here, this is one of the male right here, and this is one of the female right here. So they let me touch them sometimes. That they just any stranger come in the pen, they are leery about strangers. Because I was feeding them from they was this size. So therefore they come to me. See? This is Wonder Boy Ostrich Farm. Look at it. See? They let me touch them. See? Nice. But these animals can be very aggressive, especially when it's reaching to mating season. But these is a baby. These is young. They just 11 months old. So therefore, they think I have feeding in my hands for them. But I got no feeding. But they just peck at me. Look at them. See? They just peck at me. But in breeding season, I wouldn't dare take the chance of doing that. Look at him. You want to eat my pants? Look at it. Eh? Look at it. Isn't that amazing, ladies and gentlemen? All my years they want to eat. Look. But there is some loving birds anyway. I don't mind going to pen with them. This is one of my males. So, see right here? This is one of my males. See? You see how tall him is? Look at him. Look how tall him is. Look, ladies and gentlemen, you see? It's way over my head. And this is one of my females. They peck at me. You know why they peck at me, ladies and gentlemen? They want feeding. See? They're telling me that they're hungry. Look at them. See? Yeah. But when they're ready to mate, I can't be in there with these birds. These birds is something else. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Come, let's go. Feeding time. Come, go. Feeding time. Come on. Let's go. You gotta watch that foot, ladies and gentlemen. They gotta kick like a horse. So you gotta watch that foot. Stay wide off that foot. That's feeding time. So I'm getting it, I already mixed their feeding. So I'm getting it ready for everybody to eat. Eat right here. Maybe later on I write one for you people. If you subscribe, like, touch that notification bell, I'm gonna write one of these for you sooner or later. Wonder Boy says it. Sooner or later I'm gonna challenge one and write him in this pen. Sooner or later. Yeah, all you gotta do, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and just tell me you want more Wonder Boy. Even tell me you want more Ostrich. Alright, we're gonna take them into the feeding area. So this is where they got their feed now. They're eating. But they drink a lot of water, ladies and gentlemen. See it? Look at these legs. These legs is huge. Look at them. See? Man, look at them, ladies and gentlemen. They got a kick like a horse. Look at them. These is some big bird. So now is them feeding time. So they got on a diet. So you gotta mix it up. This diet you know is alfalfa, corn, lean pellet, and dog feeding. So they love these stuff. And as you know, them is very vegetarian. Look at their wings, see? Ain't these beautiful? Look at it. Look at these legs. Look at it, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it. These is some huge legs. See? And they let me hold them too. That's the beauty of them. Look at it. Like I open the wings. See how pretty they are? Oh, very much so. So you come down here, and ladies and gentlemen, I'm opening this pen because they're getting so big. I got to give them more rooms, and they like to exercise. So what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen, so they got all these here to run around. So what we're gonna do now, you see all these posts right here? We gotta post it. They gotta be 7 to 8 feet for these birds. So right now I'm posting it. Yeah, they need more room. If you look at it, these is the posts that we gotta put in to keep these birds in. Look at it. To the post, ladies and gentlemen. So we gotta give them a wider here. So we gotta drop in these posts. So I'm making more room for them right now. So these posts have to be strong. Because during breeding season they kick, they run and they punch. So you got to have these 8 by 8 posts to hold them in. because they don't even know them strength. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post them right up along the line. See, ladies and gentlemen, bringing the post. We open out these pens. I already have the outside fence already. Oh, if you look over there, so ladies and gentlemen, nothing less and these 8-foot posts, pressure treated to hold in these ostrich. And as they says, they run anywhere from 30 to 40 to 60 miles per hour. So you don't want to let these birds out. And the reason why I run these cards, I just wanted you, just like when you're laying blocks, you gotta run a card for it to get straight. I just want to make it straight and make it unique, ladies and gentlemen. But it's kind of chilly here, but not so chilly. So I like this weather. So they got about half an acre here just for the habitat where they run around, they exercise and they do their business. Half an acre. See how high the fence is? They cannot jump over it. And now I'm getting some more fence stuff. Yeah, these posts is really high and big, but this will prevent in many years to come where I don't have to repair this fence. This bird will very protective. You can't get out, and that is good. So I got one more post to put in, ladies and gentlemen, and then the whole of this section would be lined up, ram off, and then I'll show you the process of wiring it. I'm here to entertain all my guests then, but I love you all. And just bless up Wonder Boy. Like, subscribe, touch that notification bell. Even if you want to make a comment, you can. Your Wonder Boys is here to serve you people.